morning. Welcome to CupO'Forex. This is your daily video analysis for Thursday, the 4th of September. What a busy and exciting day we have today. We have a number of key data coming out of the United States, as well as the European Central Bank. And even New Zealand has just come out with some data. Let's get started. This is an exciting day. Here's our economic calendar, which is always on our homepage at the bottom, so you can't miss it. New Zealand just released its trade balance numbers. As you can see, they came in a little bit better than expected. This is not a big shock. We were expecting this. I want to get right into what's happening in Europe and with the United States today. Today, in about 8 hours, about 9 hours today, the European Central Bank will release its interest rate decision. As you can see, we're expecting them to stand pat at 0.15%. No change to their interest rate and no change to monetary policy. What we're going to be listening to, which comes out after their interest rate decision, is their Chief Mario Draghi and his comments. We're going to be listening to how he feels about their ever slowing economy, their stagnating economy, the slowdown that we're seeing in their powerhouse, Germany, France, Italy. We're going to be listening to how he feels about their super low inflation rate, which is coming out lower and lower every time they release a number. So we're going to be listening to whether or not he's going to be changing policy in the future, and if so, when. Today, out of the United States, we have a number of key data coming out. Right off the bat, we have initial jobless claims coming out this afternoon at around 8, 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The consensus forecast is at 300,000 initial jobless claims. That number could come in less. We've been seeing the labor market in the United States firming up more and more as we go forward. More importantly, today, coming out of the United States is the ADP employment change. We're expecting a print of 220,000. This we could either meet this or again exceed this. And as I just said, the U.S. labor market has been firming up. There has been a little bit of slack in this area, but it has been firming up and getting better. The ADP employment change is the runner-up to tomorrow's non-farm payrolls report. So we're going to be watching this very closely. The United States also has the ISM non-manufacturing PMI coming out. We're expecting it to print out at 57.5. Remember, this number, anything above 50 is expansion, anything below 50 is contraction. Okay, let's get into some technical analysis. Let's jump right into our technical analysis with the Standard & Poor's 500 today. With all the data coming out from the United States, from their unemployment numbers to ISM, we should see a little bit of volatility in the Standard & Poor's 500. Since crossing the key technical level of 2,000, we've seen the market stall out a little bit. It's butting heads with a technical level of 2005.60 and trading a bit sideways right now. Like I said, with all the data coming out, we should see a little bit of volatility in this market, and we should see Standard & Poor's move one way or the other. While above 2,000, we can definitely go above 2005.60 and higher. A fall back below 2,000 can test 1,985 and lower. I also want to take a look at the dollar index. It wasn't too long ago that we were all concerned that the dollar index was trading well below a key technical level of 80. It even hit a low all the way down, as you can see here, and there's 78.90 at one point. Since then, we've seen the market have a really nice bullish run. We're now back firmly above that key technical level of 80 and trading near another technical level now of 82.90. We're actually at 82.84 right now. If the dollar breaks above 82.90, next level is 83.10, and we should see a lot of volatility in the in the dollar index with all the data coming out, not only out of the United States, but we also have the European Central Bank and its rate decision. Let's continue with the German benchmark. As you can see, we had a nice little bounce higher. We're above a key technical level now, 96.50. Again, a lot of data and news coming, not data, but we have news coming out of the European Central Bank today. That's their interest rate decision. So expect volatility across the board, whether or not it's the DAX or the French CAC. Even the FTSE should see a little bit of volatility, not to mention Italy's market, and Spain and whatnot. We're going to see some volatility in the equities markets. Right now we're above 96.50. Depending on what the ECB says afterwards, we could push even higher, especially towards 97.25, maybe over the next few days, depending on the ECB message. But right now we are trading above 96.50. I also want to take a look really quick at the euro dollar. With all the news coming out, as you can see, we are still firmly above 1.31. I can't say that we've hit a bottom yet because there's a key level of 1.3150, which we're now testing right now. If we can have a daily close and break above 1.3150, then we could have a bottom in place near 1.310, and we could start moving a little bit higher. The next level we'll be watching, it will be the round level of 1.3200. We're going to see a lot of volatility here. Volatility everywhere, especially with the ECB. Rate decision and policy decision. We're going to have to listen to what Mario Draghi and his crew have to say about deflation as well as the ever-slowing economies. Within the European Union, like France, Italy, and even Germany has shown signs of slowing. So today is going to be an eventful day. I thank you for listening, and we'll pick up again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day trading.